In our previous class, we have studied about DDL commands and DML commands. Today, we are going to learn about select command, which comes under DQL, that is data query language. The select command, it is used to fetch the data from the database. That is, select command is used to fetch the data from the database table, which returns the data in a form of table. The syntax for the select command is select. The column names has to be specified here. That is select column 1, column 2, column n. From which table the data has to be returned or the data has to be retrieved, has to be mentioned the table name. So select is a keyword and from is a keyword here. The column names are the names which are specified in the table, and the table name has to be specified here. Here the example for select command is select asterisk from student. When you give asterisk here, the entire data that is from the table will be displayed in the form of table. When you give asterisk, all the columns from the table and the data which has been inserted in the table will be displayed in the form of table. When you give only the register, that is only the columns which are specified here, that is register number name, then only these two columns will be displayed. The other columns will not be displayed. Only the column names which are specified here, it will select only these two columns and it will display those columns from student table. Select command can also be used with the where clause. That is select is the keyword here, and the column 1, column 2, column n, and from which table they have to retrieve the data has to be specified here. And later based on some condition also you can get the data. So here register number, name, fees are the columns names which have been specified from which table, from student table, and condition is that who all have paid fees more than 15,000, their data will be specified, that is they will be displayed. So based on the condition also the data will be displayed, or without the condition also the data will be displayed. If the entire data has to be displayed from the table means you have to use select asterisk from student. For only certain columns has to be displayed means then you can specify the column names here like register number, name, or you want to display the columns based on some condition, then you can do it using the clause, that is where clause can be used, where fees greater than 50,000, that is who all are paid greater than 15,000, those data will be displayed. Distinct is also a keyword that is used along with the select command. The SQL distinct keyword is used that is along with the select command to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetch only unique records. So in a table there might be duplicate entries. In order to eliminate all those duplicate records and only the unique records, that is in case two records are being entered by mistake, you need to enter only one time. So in that case you can use this distinct keyword along with the select command, and the table will be displayed using distinct, will have only unique records, it will not have any duplicate records. For example, select distinct combination from student. So it will display the combinations which are available in the table. For example, there are 4 combinations means it will display all the 4 combinations, that is PCMB, PCMC, EBSC and HECA. So only these combinations will be displayed because all the duplicate entries will be eliminated. Only the combinations which are available in the table will be displayed. The syntax for this is select distinct. It is same as select command itself. Only we are using a word distinct in order to eliminate the duplicate records. We are using this keyword distinct along with the select command. But the other syntax is same as select command. That is, you will be using the column 1, column 2, column n from table name based on the condition, that is we have a where clause along with the condition. So this is the syntax for using the distinct keyword that is being used along with the select statement in order to avoid duplicate records from the table and fetch only the unique records. There are two operators which are used along with the select command, that is AND operator and OR operator. They might ask a question that write the difference between AND operator and the OR operator. So the AND operator will be used along with the select command when there is multiple conditions. In order to combine these conditions, we are using a operator that is called as AND operator in an SQL statement in the where clause. Syntax for the AND operator is select column 1, column 2, column n from table name where conditions, multiple conditions are there, that is condition 1, condition 2, condition n. All these conditions has to be combined together. In order to combine these conditions, we are using AND operator. For example, when you see this statement, that is select register number, name, date of birth from student table where fees is equal to 15,000 and combination is EBSC. So it will select the data based on these two conditions. Both the condition has to be satisfied, and it will display the register number, name and date of birth of the students who satisfies this both the conditions. Then the data will be displayed based on this condition. The OR operator. The OR operator is also used to combine multiple conditions in an SQL statement. But here we'll be using the keyword OR in place of AND. And here either one of the condition is correct also, the data will be displayed. There need not be that all the condition has to be satisfied. One of the conditions is satisfied, the data will be displayed. But in case of AND operator, all the conditions has to be satisfied for the data to be displayed. So let us see the syntax here. Select column 1, column 2, column n from the table name. Using a where clause, we are writing multiple conditions. When we are using multiple condition, we use OR operator here, and we have to end with a semicolon. Okay, let us see an example here. Select register number, name, date of birth from student where fees is 15,000 or combination is EBSC. If either one of the condition is satisfied, that is fees is 15,000 and combination is other combination also, the data will be displayed. Or the combination is EBSC and the fees is less than 15,000 also, the data will be displayed. Either one of the conditions should be satisfied in order for the data to be displayed. See, for example, I have told here to combine n number of condition using OR operator. Then in that case, only any one of the condition is separated by OR is also true. Then also the data will be displayed. That is, the table will be displayed in case of SQL statement, that is select statement, which is being used along with the where clause, and we are using the OR condition. So and OR operators are used mainly to combine, that is, two or more conditions in this where clause. It is used along with the select statement based on the condition. AND operator, all the conditions should be satisfied. In case of OR operator, either one of the condition is satisfied, also the data will be displayed. So we have studied about the select command today. The select command is used to fetch the data from the database, that is to retrieve the data from the database. We are using a command that is called a select command. Along with the select command, we are using a distinct keyword. Distinct keyword is used in order to eliminate records, that is duplicate records from the table, and it will display the unique records. And the AND operator and the OR operator is used along with the select command in order to combine the conditions, that is the multiple conditions can be combined together using AND operator and OR operator. Both the operations are same, but when all the conditions are satisfied, then we have to use AND operator. If either one of the conditions is satisfied and data has to be displayed, then we are using the OR operator.